Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Cheddar Up tutorial. Cheddar Up is a platform that you can use to create toy drive, donation, and numerous other options. You can use it to sell products and so on. To get started, you're going to go onto cheddarup.com. Then you're going to tap on Get Started. After you have selected Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, how will you use Cheddar Up? You can select whether you like to use it as an individual, on behalf of an organization, as a peer, or participant. We're going to be selecting as an individual. Then you will tap on Continue. And you can see right here you could use Cheddar Up for PTA, parent club, if you would like to collect donations for your sport team, or if you would like to sell tickets or so on for your sport team, or you like to use it for non-profit organizations. You can do that. As you can see, there are numerous options you can select from. Let's say, for example, we were to select friend and family, and we're going to tap on Continue. How did you hear about Cheddar Up? And you can see the different options. I'll just select internet search. After you have done that, you're going to enter your first, last name, and basic information. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And you have two options. You could either start from scratch, or you could choose to use a template. For this example, we're going to be selecting a template. After you have done that, you can see different categories that you can choose from the left-hand menu option. So let's say, for example, you'd like to create one for a wedding gift. You could tap on preview and you could see how this page looks. So you have the cover image right there. Then you have some basic information, what it is about. And then from here, persons will be able to enter the amount that they'd like to donate. And that's it. So that's how it is. It's quite straightforward and easy to use. If you're keeping an high school reunion, you could use it. You could also use it for baby gift registry or so on. You can use it for numerous options. Now let's say we would like to use this example, the wedding gift example. So we're going to tap on Use Template. After you have selected Use Template, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you could choose to customize the template right away. So we could tap on Customize Template. Then you could change the image by tapping on the pencil icon. You could upload an image, or you could choose to upload a video. After you have done that, you can scroll down. And from here, you can add in some basic information. So instead of it saying wedding gift, you could change that. And you can also change the description details here if you want. After doing that, if you like to add more information, you could tap on Information Block. Keep in mind, majority of these added features that you'll get access to, you will need to be on a paid plan. So for example, you could toggle on Promote Sharing, allowing persons to share it. You could also make a total collected public. You can also set a fundraising goal, and so on. But majority of these features, as I said earlier, you will need to be on the paid plan. You could also set up an FAQ section and so on. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on Save. Then once it has been saved, you can see right here, we're just going to tap on this to tick it. But if you would like to set a minimum amount that persons will be able to donate, you could tap on Edit and you could set that. Then you're going to tap on Continue. And from here, if you would like to add a waiver or a form, you can also do that. So you could tap on that and you could do it. Then we'll tap on Continue. From here, you want to ensure that you have toggled on credit cards, and you can also allow payments by e-check if you want, or cash. And you can scroll down. You could customize the name that persons will be seeing on their credit card statement. So you could customize it right there. If you would like to cover the fees for your peers, you can toggle it on right here, or you can leave it as is. You can also customize the receipt that they'll be getting, although this is a paid feature to customize it. You can also customize the collection page, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from there, you can tap on Preview. After selecting Preview, you can see how it looks. And persons will tap on Enter Amount. Then they could enter the amount that they like to donate. So that's how it will look right there. Once it is to your liking, you'll close out. Then all you'll need to do now is tap on Publish. After you have tapped on Publish, you're going to verify your email address. Then you'll be prompted to verify your phone number, and after you have done that, you'll be able to share it. If we were to go back to the home page, you could tap on collections and go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you'll be able to view the reports to see you can see how much you have gotten paid. Another thing you can also do by going over to the top right hand corner, you could tap on your profile pic. After tapping on your profile pic, from there you could select profile and you can start setting up, and you can also tap right where you see payment methods. From here you'll be able to link a US bank account which will allow you to receive payments, or you can add a credit or debit card that you would like to receive payments on. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.